This exercise is the suspension cyclist squat. So for this exercise, we need two pieces of equipment. We need the suspension straps and a slant board. If you don't have a slant board, you can use two squat wedges, or you could also use a 25-pound or 45-pound weight plate, and then just elevate your heels on the edge of the plate to get the same effect of a slant board. So either three will work. Today I'm going to use the slant board. So to begin the exercise, we'll grab the suspension straps and just slowly back onto the slant board. In the cyclist squat, our stance with our feet is very narrow compared to a normal squat. And you also want to make sure that you keep a vertical torso as we're squatting down, so you're not leaning forward during the eccentric portion of the rep. So I'll show you what it looks like. So take a big deep breath and then slowly lower yourself down. If you can get right down to where your hamstrings touch your calves, that is the ideal depth with this exercise. If not, then just kind of work your way towards it. And when we're starting out, I think a good distance for the straps is your elbow pinned at your side. That should be a good place to start. So again, big deep breath. And you can use as much of your upper body as you need to initially to help kind of pull yourself up. That's what I love about this variation. It gives you that stability. It gives you that upper body assistance for those that need it when you're just starting out with the cyclist squat. So yeah, it's a great variation. You may find that you even feel this more in your quads because of the depth and because of the narrow stance relative to a normal squat. So again, it's the suspension cyclist squat.